visiting one of my favorite little geocaches that I've hidden so far. Not because it's a great geocache, just because it's simple and great for beginners. How many of you have seen my video a while back about ROOFUS? Of course, named after our Dilophosaurus buddy Rufus. And thanks to Jurassic World Alive, Rufus is animated now. What's great about Rufus is that he's a light pole cache. He's such an adorable little container that it's great for beginners and especially kids. To a beginner geocacher, a light pole cache is very difficult. And most don't know that at most light poles you can lift this part up to reveal the geocache underneath. When I first started geocaching, my first light pole cache took me forever. So that's why I made this ROOFUS geocache. It was a good one for beginners. And it wasn't just a typical light pole cache. It had a great little container for the kids as well. Because it is important to raise young little geocachers. So that's why I think this geocache is important. Thanks for watching. Check out our Facebook page. The link is in the description. Be sure to like that thing. We got tons of other videos, so click on one of our other videos to watch it. And be sure to subscribe.